Hello everyone. So in the previous video lesson we have seen how to create a stunning infographic and what are the options we have. Okay. So let's move on now. We will see how to create slide deck using NotebookLM. So for this again I'm going to create a new use case. Okay. Click on new notebook and for this let's create something on let's say you want to create you want to install rooftop solar. Okay. And let's see, it's just an imaginary use case. Let's select some sources. So I'm selecting some of these keywords: rooftop solar installation guide in India. Okay. And home solar system cost breakdown in India, how residential solar panels work. Okay. So these are the keywords. Let me add this. Okay. And in the meantime you can keep on adding. Okay, let this get added. Okay, I'll import all the sources. Let's add some URLs. Okay, so these are the URLs. And let's add some YouTube videos. Okay, you can search for how rooftop solar panel works for homes. Okay, let me select this.
If you
Okay, so you can one drop the files. And this is something I have not shown you. You can connect to your drive and you can select anything from here. Okay, let's get started. So create the slide deck. As usual, I'll just create one by default. Just click here, it will get initiated and create a default slide deck. And other one, let's customize. Okay, so we'll get a two options here: detailed deck and presenter slides. Okay, what are detailed deck? These are comprehensive deck with full text and details, perfect for emailing and reading on its own. A presenter slide, it is for if you want to do a slide for a workshop or anything, so visual slide with key talking points to support you while you speak. Okay, let's go for presenter slides. Okay, and let's have a prompt over here. Create a 12-slide presentation explaining rooftop solar installation for residential home. Includes slide titles, bullet points, and speaker notes. Slides should cover how panels work and system component installation process, cost estimate, government subsidies in India, environmental benefits, and return on investment. Okay, let's see how it is going to generate. Okay, you can click on generate over here. So it has created both default and the customized slide deck. Let's have a look at one by one. Let me open the first default version. So let's open it full screen. So if you can see, it has created a very high quality slide, okay, and it has taken care of every details what we have been asking for. So this is looking really great, okay. So this is the default version what it has created. uh, Let me open the customized one. Okay, so again it has given all these details. Okay, this would have taken at least half a day to 5 to 6 hours of work. Okay, it has reduced into hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Very much detail, and look at the graphics. Okay, so this you can directly convert it to PDF or PPT, or directly start a slideshow from here. Okay, if you want to revise something, you can revise. Okay, so directly change the slide over here. I'll just say make this slide colorful. Okay, let's okay, so it comes as a new revision over here. Meanwhile, we can explore any other feature. So you can share the PPT. So other features are, you can rename, revise. I have already shown it to you. So this is a very good handy feature as a slide deck. You can create for your, you can create your business sources. Let's say if you want to create a test summary report deck, okay, you can provide all the uh, software testing related documents here and ask NotebookLM to create a slide deck for release readiness or something like that. So it will gather all the data, whatever open issues, what are the readiness status, everything it will give. It's just an example. Okay, so it has created the updated version. Let's see. So what I have asked is create a colorful version of it. So it has done exactly like that. So you can edit individual slide also. So this is about a slide deck. So I want you to you know create different variation here, detailed deck, presentation slides. Okay, you can try out with uh, what you want to create. You can update this prompt. Okay, I have also added 150 plus prompt. You can look for this resource. Okay, just after all this studio overview, you can try each one of them in your notebook LM. Okay, so practice makes prompt perfect. So that is what I'm going to say. So you will learn by doing, experimenting things with notebook LM. So I want you to try out all those prompts, and see you in next session.